took me to get everything situated, but it took a little while. Probably took me a good 30 to 45 minutes, but I guess that's just the price I pay. Look at that hair, holy smokes. Yeah, I need a haircut bad. But first thing I'm gonna do before I head out to the spot is go grab some oil, because I think I've been burning a little bit of oil, so I just wanna play it safe. When I get there and get things started, I'm just gonna start it up and check oil levels, and then add some oil if I need to, and then I'm gonna hit the trail. So hopefully everything goes to plan, and the bike will start, not need to jump, because maybe I just need to get it fully charged at some point here, because this morning, as you'll see, like lags on starting. So if you have any suggestions about that, let me know. So yeah, let me go snag some oil from AutoZone, my boys. Yeah. Where should I check out? Okay, cool. All right, got the oil. So let's just check the bike. Get my keys. One more time. Safety pin in. This thing's on and working. These are in. Bike's not going anywhere. Sweet. So today we're going to Palmo Valley Coast to Coast Crest Trail is what it's called on maps. That's where I park, at least. And I found this spot when I was getting into off-roading and overlanding, which I still kind of am, but I did a trail here, Black Mountain Truck Trail, with some other Nissan Frontiers that came from all different parts, and there's like 4 or 3 trails there. So I wanted to go back and check them out by myself. I'm gonna bring my little chair, and then ride up with a little backpack, just take a chill ride, nothing crazy, and get to the top, and then have some water and enjoy the view, and then head back down. That's the plan. And maybe also I'll check out another trail that I haven't done yet. I finished Black Mountain Truck Trail, and I've gone through San Alejo Truck Trail on my bike. I've done those a couple times, and so today we're gonna do all of Orozco Ridge Truck Trail. And these are all in Ramona. I live in Vista, which is like North County, San Diego. And these are like my favorite trails in the area. You can also go to Otay Mountain. I know some guys down there that are really good riders, but those trails are extensive, and there's a ton of trails and a lot of cool single track, but it's rough terrain. It's a different kind of riding. I'm sure there's gonna be ruts today, which we'll have to deal with, and hopefully we don't biff it too many times. So let's see how today goes, and I'll see you when we get there. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get changed. Okay, so a little update. As I'm sitting here filming the other section, this other guy that I saw drive past came back and informed me that all the trails are closed because of the crazy rain we got recently. So I'm just gonna go ride down this road here, because it turns into dirt, and there's just not much down there. But I haven't gone to the end of it yet, so I thought might as well get some B-roll, hopefully. Get some like tripod shots. I'll try to do that as well, and just see how that goes. And I've got, like, I'll show you. I'm gonna attempt this mount here. This is all I got for now. I need to get a chin mount, obviously. So we'll see how this works. Oh shoot! I hope you guys could see that snake on the trail there. I've got my Jimmy rigged thing here, so I don't know how well it's working, but that was pretty cool. I'm trying to find a place to practice some wheelies here. Closed due to weather. Yeah, this is the last one. But like, I mean, I wonder if those kids on the dirt bikes that I saw were, or those guys on the dirt bikes I saw went that way. Hi. You guys good? It won't start?
No.
Let's see. Fuel's on. Yeah, see this here? That right there? It needs to be up, I think. Yeah, I guess it was on.
Okay.
Here, give it a go again. And give it some... Huh. It's electric start too?
I think.
Yeah, I don't know. It might have got a little flooded if you've tried a bunch of times. Really kick it. Oh, it wants to go.
Just hold it for like 1 second. Now let go. I don't know, sorry.
Here, can I give it a shot? There you go. I think it's just no throttle when you just let. Here. Just don't give it throttle when you kick it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and just there was a snake on the road up that way, so.
Oh yeah, we're just.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ready?
Ready? Don't be scared.
First get used to moving it around, Steve.
It's just like a bike.
Move it around.
Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be the spot where I set up my phone to take some videos. Oh shoot! That was close. Holy smokes. They've been running across. Dang, she looks really good right now. That's sweet. The wet look is fire. About to die, so gonna switch to this. All right, well, that pretty much sums up my day today since those trails were closed. It is President's Day weekend, so I might try to go to some other trails down in SoCal if they're not closed. But yeah, I wish next time I come here, I'm not parking that lot, so I have no worry about parking, because I could have gone on that Black Mountain Trail with those guys, even though the legality is questionable. That's another reason I didn't want to go. But it's still really pretty out here. It's nice sitting here listening to the creek and just watching the sun go down. But yeah, this is Ramona. I think it's a county or city, not sure. Super pretty out here in these little canyons, and there's still people with property out here, and there's tons of cows out here. I wish I could ride over this other side of this fence and explore more and just, be out in these luscious green fields, but unfortunately that is not the case. I'm not some landowner, but maybe BLM, I don't know. I should look into the legality of, like, if these gates open, like, am I allowed to open them and then, go on this BLM land, or is this private? Because Onyx says BLM, so sorry, I talk a lot. I'll see you at the car. Okay, so all in all, I learned that I need to check the National Forest website to see if there's trail closures. So, big bummer, but shout out to the guys that I met from Carlsbad and Oceanside. I hope I find them on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll send them this video if I put it up on YouTube and I show their sections in it. So yeah, I'm off now. I'm just headed home. You can see that's my view of the bike back there. But yeah, it was a good experience overall, just to get out, ride a bit, and get some video and like practice, setting up the tripod thing, and then like running back to the bike. Like, how difficult is that? Getting a little bit over my fear or my social anxiety of like putting the camera down and recording with the GoPro on my helmet. So yeah, I can't wait to see the footage on the GoPro. It's probably gonna take my computer like 5 years to catch up with it, but no worries. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.